We've had heaps of new products coming into Hobbybase this week, including plenty of papers, plenty of Christmas dies, plenty of Christmas sentiments, and we're going to just show you a few of the products that I've picked up off the shelves today that I think you guys will really like. Okay, cool. So first of all, we've got these really funky stamps for the Hotfoil, for the Go Press and Foil, which I just wanted to let you guys know about. These are all by Griffin. Really cute festive designs, quite traditional. We've got this gorgeous deer stag, we've got this Merry Christmas sentiment, and we've got this lovely snowflake. So they work really well, or specifically for the Go Press and Foil machine. So hopefully we'll get some projects to you using those at some point. We've got this wonderful selection of dies from Sweet Dixie. Again, all festive focused. We've got some real intricate designs here that are compatible with most leading die machines, so they're all good to go. We've got these lovely Christmas trees, sentiments, snowflakes, snowy scenes, so you can really start to build up I mean this one here, part 1 is of the houses, for example, and part 2 is the snowy scene, so you can really start to build and mix and match a lot of these dies together, so you can make a whole range of projects. Lovely little, let's look at that one, how cute is that? This Fireplace. It's got all the tiny little elements of the fireplace, with the cats, the stocking. Some real fun to be had with those range, which I really love. And then lastly, we've been starting to talk a lot more about decoupage on our channel, and we've got some great decoupage sets, festive sets from Craft Creations new onto the shelves. These are all available on hobbybase.co.uk, by the way. If you go to the tab at the top that says Fresh Arrivals, they're all in there. And I'm just pulling out these two specifically from these decoupage sets, because these two in particular are actual kits that you basically have everything you need from this one purchase. You have everything you need to make an entire project, an entire card. It comes with the envelopes, it comes with the card base, and all the individual elements. All you need to do with that is buy your sticky foam pads, which really aren't going to cost a lot of money at all. So that is a great investment, really amazing value for money, but also really simple to make. You know, these are as easy as it'll tell you which ones to pop out and where to place them. Put your pads on, stick it all together, and you've got a lovely card. So that's all in one purchase. Great way to introduce people to Papercraft as well. There's another one there, the kit, with this cute gingerbread lady. I love that. A great way to introduce people to craft, great way to keep your kids entertained over the summer or in the holidays to come. So yeah, that's everything that we've got. There's a whole load more stuff that we could be talking to you about today, but I'm going to leave it there. Go to hobbybase.co.uk if you'd like to purchase any of those products, and if you want to see what else we've got, then go on to the Fresh Arrivals tab at the top. So that's it from me for this week. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what's new at Hobbybase HQ. If you have, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and you'll be able to keep up to date with all the things that we post here on Hobbybase TV. And I hope to see you very soon. Take care. Bye bye.